What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. Musa Khawula has appeared in court, and this is him being seen here by the media. This video is credited to Slindelo Masikani. The media was granted application to film these proceedings. So obviously we all know the reason why he is appearing in court. It is because of all of those tweets that you will be sending and talking about these high profile people and these allegations that you will be talking about. In fact, he doesn't even call them allegations. You'll be actually like straight to the point, like as if this is what is exactly is happening. And because of those tweets that he would be tweeting, this is why he is now in serious trouble, and he is appearing in court. He is sort of like, if I can call him, an uncensored journalist. And this is not the first time of him being arrested, and he is like very, very defiant. And as a gossiper himself, some of his tweets, he was taking them right to the edge, all the way to the limit. There was no need for him sometimes to be sending those tweets out there, because basically Musa Khawula is just a gossiper. So if you're a gossiper, it's best to just stick to fun and jokes instead of some of the tweets that put the reputations of some of the people on the line. So imagine being sent to jail simply because you love stories. This is what Musa Khawula is appearing in court for. So if he manages to get out of this one and he manages to escape jail and the sentence is suspended or something, going forward, it might be best for him to tone down some of his tweets and gossip. That is just my 2 cents to Musa Khawula. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.